of COVID-19 cannot be underestimated because it has shown actually all the weaknesses in the different countries when it comes to democracy. For instance, I can give the example of a hasty election that was held in Guinea, constitutional referendum to pass a constitution, so that could allow the president actually to stand for a third term. I can give another example of holding legislative elections in Mali, where after some of the results were challenged because the elections were not free and fair, and that led to a socio-political crisis and to the coup that actually happened a few days ago. So the COVID-19 impact on democracy, COVID-19 is showing both the positive and negative aspect of democracy. Some countries have been tightening information access to their citizens by either slowing down the internet or blocking the access to some of the internet applications. So what we do at Africtiv is we make sure that our partners or the people we serve actually have access to information. We monitor the implementation of the responses, and when there are issues with transparency or accountability in the use of funds, we raise our voice and we sensitize people on the issues that need to be redressed, and we make recommendations.